Meeting someone new. Easy English conversation for beginners. A1, A2. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Daily.
Hello, friends. We are happy you are here today.
Today, we will learn something very important.
Yes, today we will learn how to meet someone new in English.
This is very useful in real life.
Yes, you can use this at school, at work, or when traveling.
Don't worry, we will use simple English.
We will speak slowly so you can understand.
And you can repeat with us.
Before we start,
Please like the video.
and subscribe to Speak English Daily.
Are you ready?
Yes, let's meet new people.
Part 1. Saying hello. Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I am good, thank you.
Nice.
And you?
I am good too.
That's great.
Practice. Repeat after us. Hello. Hi. How are you? I am good, thank you. And you? I am good too. Very good. Part 2. Introducing your name. My name is David.
My name is Lucy.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Very nice to meet you.
Yes, very nice.
Practice. Repeat after us. My name is David.
My name is Lucy.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too.
Excellent. Part 3. Where are you from? Where are you from?
I am from Brazil.
Nice. Brazil is beautiful.
Thank you. And you?
I am from Canada.
Very interesting. Canada is cold, yes?
Yes, very cold in winter.
Practice. Repeat after us.
Where are you from?
I am from Brazil.
I am from Canada.
Brazil is beautiful.
Very good. Part 4. What do you do? What do you do?
I am a teacher.
Nice. That's a good job.
Thank you. And you?
I am a student.
Great. What do you study?
I study English.
That's perfect. Practice. Repeat after us. What do you do?
I am a teacher. I am a student.
What do you study?
I study English.
Excellent. Part 5. Talking about age. How old are you? I am 25 years old.
Nice.
And you?
I am 22 years old.
Great. You are young.
Yes. And you are young too.
Thank you. Practice. Repeat after us. How old are you? I am 25 years old.
I am 22 years old.
You are young. Very good.
Part 6. Talking about language. Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little English.
Very good. You speak well.
Thank you. Do you speak English?
Yes, I do. I speak English every day.
Great. Do you speak any other language?
No, only English.
That's okay.
Practice. Repeat after us. Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little English. You speak well. Do you speak any other language?
No, only English.
Excellent.
Part 7. Small talk about hobbies. Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee. I drink coffee every morning.
Me too.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What kind of music?
I like pop music. And you?
I like classical music.
Nice. That's very relaxing.
Yes, exactly.
Practice. Repeat after us. Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee. I drink coffee every morning. Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What kind of music?
I like pop music. And you?
I like classical music.
Nice. That's very relaxing.
Yes, exactly.
Very good. Part 8. More small talk. Do you like movies?
Yes, I like movies. I watch movies on weekends.
What kind of movies?
I like comedy movies. They are funny.
I like action movies.
Action movies are exciting.
Yes. Do you want to watch a movie together?
Maybe one day.
Practice. Repeat after us. Do you like movies?
Yes, I like movies.
What kind of movies?
I like comedy movies.
Do you want to watch a movie together?
Maybe one day.
Excellent! Part 9. Saying goodbye. Well, I need to go now.
Okay, it was nice talking to you.
Yes, nice talking to you too.
Maybe we can talk again.
Yes, let's meet again.
Good idea. Bye-bye.
Bye. Have a nice day.
You too. Take care.
Practice. Repeat after us. I need to go now.
It was nice talking to you.
Let's meet again.
Bye-bye.
Have a nice day.
Take care.
Very good. Part 10. Full conversation. Let's do a full conversation. Listen carefully.
Then you can repeat after us.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I am good, thank you. My name is David.
Nice to meet you, David. My name is Lucy.
Where are you from, Lucy?
I am from Brazil. And you?
I am from Canada.
What do you do?
I am a student. And you?
I am a teacher.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love classical music.
Nice. It was nice talking to you.
You too. Bye-bye.
Final practice.
Let's repeat important sentences one more time.
Listen and repeat.
Hello. How are you?
I am good. Thank you.
My name is...
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
It was nice talking to you.
Bye-bye. Have a nice day.
Amazing! You did a wonderful job.
Outro. Great job today.
You learned how to meet someone new in English.
Now you can speak with confidence.
Yes. Practice every day. Practice with your friends.
Before you go,
Tell us in the comments.
what is your name?
Where are you from?
Write your answer in English.
Don't forget to like the video.
And subscribe to Speak English Daily.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.